It's beef tongue. We cooked one of these up. Look at how tender that is. Oh my goodness, that is juicy and tender. But how does it taste? Well, watch this. We'll show you how we did it. We'll do a taste test at the end. All right, so this is how we're gonna make it. Pick this up at the local grocery store. Carne al toro, which is the beef tongue. So this was 3 1/4 pounds of this. It came frozen, probably because they don't sell a ton of beef tongue. But we're just gonna open this up and go through the necessary steps to give this a try. There's your basic beef tongue. It's pretty rough, and we've got to get this skin off of it. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to boil it. So taking a look on here, there's kind of some hard fatty things here. We're just going to trim those up a little bit. Not too much. Yeah, you can see where that skin is on there. Now you can try to peel it off, and you can try to cut it off beforehand. I'm just going to go ahead and boil it up. We're going to put it in a stock pot, and we're going to cook it outside and throw in some aromatics and some different spices, so it'll be really good. Then after that, we're going to put it into the smoker. So I anticipate about 1.5 hours to 2 hours to boil this, and then we're going to peel it in the smoker, and away we go. Step 1, beef tongue. Bloop. We're going to put in some onion. This is just a white onion. And I've got a couple of cans of beef stock. We want to maintain as much of that beefy flavor as we can. So if we have to have a liquid, might as well have some beef stock to it. Then after that, we have got some red pepper flakes. That's probably about a teaspoon or so. And now we've got some garlic pepper. I've got some oregano. I've got some bay leaves. We're gonna add in a bunch of peppercorns. We got some parsley that we're gonna drop in here. And then what we're gonna do is just finish the rest of this off by adding water. 4 cups of water work perfectly with those 2 cans of beef broth and the size pot and the 3 1/4 pounds of tongue that we are putting in here. So this is all ready to go. We're just gonna put the lid on. We're gonna bring it out and cook it outside on the side burner for the Weber grill. Got this rolling on the side burner for the Weber Summit. And we're just gonna bring this up to a simmer, let it go for a couple hours, check back in. There we go, we are just getting going here. This is looking good, smelling good. We just want to get that to a simmer. So we've got the beef tongue. It cooked for probably about 2 hours or so. After that, we cooled it off and rinsed it off a little bit. So now the next step is to get the skin off. And it's simply, we're just gonna peel this. You can get your finger underneath there. Look at how easy that peels off of there. And this is much better than trying to cut it off. A little bit fatty down in here. We're going to see if we can trim a little bit of that off. But again, this is going to go on the smoker to finish out, so not too worried about that. So we're going to put some rub on it. It's already wet enough to be able to hold that. I'm just using a salt, pepper, garlic. And this is a Suckle Busters. Just going to go straight Texas salt, pepper, garlic. Season it well on all sides. And then we're going to drop it on the Traeger. If you want to, you can put a binder, maybe some mustard, some W sauce to help to get that to stick a little bit, but I'm not really sure if that's necessary. There we go. Now it's going to be simply tongue on the smoker for a few hours. We'll put a probe in there, cook it up to about 200 degrees, slice it up and give it a try. So it's time to put that on. You can see we've got some good smoke going. We're just gonna set that fella right there and give it some time. There's that tongue. We've been on for almost 4.5 hours now. The temp on this, we are currently running just about 190. I'm gonna give it about 5 more degrees, and then we're gonna let it rest and give a taste test. But we've got some great mahogany color on there. This is looking pretty good. I'm excited. All right, so we have the tongue off of the smoker. It's probably been on there for a little better than 4 hours. Set it for about 225, 250, right in that area, and just gonna let it go. I wanted to get it up around the 200 degree mark, and I stuck a probe in there. It was super tender, so really eager to give this a try. Let's dig in. There it is, one tongue, and let's give this a try. We're gonna cut right across the middle here. And let's see what that looks like. That's pretty juicy. We've got a little bit of a smoke ring on there. I think that's turned out really fine. Can definitely see that on this side we've got more of the fattiness, especially down in the bottom. But good smoke ring in there, nice and tender. And we're gonna cut a little piece of this off. This is still really hot, but we're gonna go in and give this a try. So, 2 things I'd say on this. One is, this outside seems to be pretty hard and crunchy. I think next time what I would probably do is when I got about up to the 175, 180, I'd probably wrap this, maybe in like a butcher paper, add a little bit of tallow to it, because we're definitely pretty crunchy on the outside. Once you get past that outside, it is super moist, super tender. I mean, that just about melts in your mouth on the inside. Maybe it's just when we get closer to the end over here, that it's a little bit more crunchy. So we're gonna kind of eat a little bit this direction and see what that does. We do pick up some good salt, pepper, and garlic on there from the rub, so I think that that's good. Definitely an interesting texture. You can see that that all this is just made up of very fine muscle fiber. Much different than a brisket where it's got that, you know, the bigger striations in there. This is super lean and just super small muscle texture. It really melts away in your mouth, so that's good. I like that. Yeah, I would say good. I'm not sure how often I'm going to make this. I think it's a good meat, but I'd probably take my time and aim more for like a brisket. I want to try some beef cheeks, other things that are kind of more of a mainstay. Now we're going to go way over onto this side and see what we think of a cut here. So you can see how that's just really juicy. That is super hot too, but just really almost kind of falls apart. So again, if you're looking for something really tender, I would say this does it. A good beefy taste to it, so that makes sense. So your local taco truck has probably got tongue tacos. Just chop it up kind of fine, put it into the tacos. Folks say that that's really good. Maybe I'll give that a try. I'm not sure, but got a lot of tongue meat here. Maybe we'll find something fun to do with it. Is it my favorite? Probably not, but we're something to give it a try. Hey, if you like what we're doing here, I've got a lot of videos, probably over 100 different videos on different things that you can cook, different techniques, whether it's appetizers, a brisket, pulled pork, main course, maybe some sandwiches, some fun little appetizers, things that you wrap in bacon, maybe you add some shrimp to it. Those are always good. And if you have a grill that maybe needs a little bit of maintenance or needs some fixing up on a pellet grill, I've got videos about that also. So please explore my YouTube channel, and hopefully by going through that, it gives you some inspiration and you're gonna cook something great in your backyard this weekend. And from BBQplus, thanks for watching.